Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the drum baffle in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you attempt this, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Pull the dryer away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws to remove the bracket. Slide the lid and lift it off to remove from the dryer. Now unthread the 3 screws from the old baffle. To install the new drum baffle, align the baffle in the drum, then thread and tighten the 3 screws. Place the lid on the dryer and push forward to secure. Rethread the 5 screws to reinstall the bracket. Push the dryer back into place. Turn the power supply back on, and your dryer should be ready for use.